have mental health crisis across the world that is directly
we do
connected to environmental degradation, like wildfires. Even here in Kenya, we have wildfires and floods and droughts, and victims have post-traumatic stress disorder. The other thing is to help people to fall in love with nature, because I believe that conservation begins with love, and that before we plant 1,000,000 trees, we must nurture 1,000,000 hearts that care.
You have said something also very profound. We have a real serious problem of mental health.
Yes.
You know, and therefore, whatever it is that we can do, whatever contributions that we can make to assist with, you know, supporting the people who would otherwise suffer from mental health, just maybe by associating with nature, you know, and, you know, people cooling down.
Yes.
And it's amazing.
Yes.
I mean, I can't believe this. This is profound.
Thank you.
Yeah, I am sure that it's going to have a big impact.
Yes.
That people will think about trees much more positively.